Direct mail marketing. Direct mail marketing. Hey folks, it's Paulie, your online offline mailman, once again coming to you from the Big Apple, New York City. Yes sir, Manhattan. Hey folks, when's the last time you've been to the city? You better get over here and try some New York cheesecake. It's the best. Hey listen, here's the question, and I'm going to keep coming at you until it sinks in. Are you still struggling to make money online? Well, you're on this video. You've come here by no coincidence. God ordains and predestines everything, and I want to help you today. Are you still struggling to make money online? Then go offline with postcards. Folks, we're mailing out postcards and flyers. See these flyers right here, folks? These simple flyers. You mail out 10, 20 per day to start. That's all we ask. 10, 20 a day to start, 5, 6 days. We rest on the 7th day. Listen, if you do that, you'll hit the ground running. You don't need a computer anymore. You don't need to be staying up till 2, 3 in the morning, pulling your hair out, trying to make squeege pages, landing pages, funnels, and all this other stuff, websites. Folks, do you have a mailbox in front of your house? Can you pick up a pen? Can you fill out an envelope? Can you put a flyer in an envelope? You can have your kids help you do 10, 20, 30 a day. And folks, if you do that, you will get a website like this. If you want to come out and do videos like me, it's not necessary though, but you'll have a website just like this. It's $500 and a $47 admin fee. It's a 2-3 page website. You come down, get started, and the money goes right to your mailbox. There's my my Cash App, and you can send cash, a postal money order. You can send, I'll even take a personal check if you like, but you send 2 payments. One comes to me. You send the 500 priority mail, Paul Barletta, 4C Potomac Lane, Whiting, New Jersey. That's my phone number, folks. You can call me with any questions, 862-658-2086. Folks, it's a simple, easy, stupid program. A 10-year-old could do it. And yes, the postcard business, flyers, is still a multi-billion-dollar business. This is nothing new, folks. The ROI is better than we expected. 47%. Listen, you send out 10, 20 flyers / postcards, and you're going to be making yourself 2, 3 sales. Folks, that's $500 a pop. $500 a pop. Within a week or 2, you can quit your 9 to 5. And then you send the $47 to the admin. He's a good friend of mine. His name is Brad Kaminsky. When you click here, Brad Kaminsky says it's time to create your success story. Who is Brad? He's been in the mail postcard marketing business for over 30 years now. He's retired, but he put this program together because he wants to pay it forward. He wants to give back. He's a multi-millionaire from this type of business, and now he wants to build this to help the struggling online. And he knows, he's a Christian, folks. I'm a Christian, and he knows how difficult it is these days. And he knows what inflation is doing to the poor, and this is specifically made for the poor and struggling. And if that's you, I have more good news for you. Folks, I have an offer for you. People have been saying, Paul, I don't have the $500 to start. Well, guess what? This is your day, because $200, folks. I'm taking $300 off to help you out. Boys and girls, to help you out. $200. You send that to me, the $200, to this address, 4C Potomac Lane, Whiting, New Jersey. You could send cash. You could send me Cash App. And before you do, if you have any questions, again, here's my phone number, 862-658-2086. Folks, it's simple. There's really nothing to explain. Just mailing out postcards and flyers, and they're converting well. We have a buyer's list. A buyer's list, not just people looking for any program, folks. Not just people looking to make money online, offline, no. These people on our list, the buyer's list that we have, are people specifically looking to get into the direct mail programs. And once they see ours, the ROI, the conversion rate, is spectacular. We had a good friend of ours who's been doing this for 6-7 months, already up to $120,000, $130,000, folks. We know it's not bunch of money, but hey, what would you do in 6 months making close to $120,000, $140,000? That's what you could expect with the $500 club. Folks, the first 20 people who comment below in this video, I want to come in at $200. Put that in the comment. Paul, I would like to come in at $200. The first 20 people will come in at $200, but still, it'll be for the $500 club. It'll still be for the $500 club. We give you the marketing tools. We give you everything you need to hit the ground running, folks. Everything you need. So come on. Let your name be up here. Let us say congratulations on your decision to join the $500 club. $200 to get in today, folks. Comment below. I want to come in, Paulie, at the $200 level for the $500 club. Folks, like this video for us. Subscribe. We're trying to really blow this up for you, and you'll be happy that you did join with us. I want to be your mentor. I want to be your coach. Again, give me a call, 862-658-2086. I'm waiting to answer any questions that you may have. Thank you very much for your time. Have a great day and a great evening, and as always, God bless. Bye-bye.